Ochung kod okang mar sirkal mar medo osuru kowacho ni mano tim mar medo yuto piny owacho kendo duoko chien manyo hola kwa kuom pinje maoko. Owacho ni ging'iyo kata onego bed ni girango kanyo ting'o malo yuto mar osuru koa atamalo 14 nyaka 16 ka chopo giko mar higani. Omedo ni kata bed ni gisani mano nyalo bedo ni jopiny nene matek, jo Kenya biro yudo ber e kinde mabiro.
We look at our peers, and you know, Kenyans have been socialized to believe that they pay the highest taxes. But empirical data shows Kenya as of last year, our tax as a percentage of our revenues was 14%. Our peers in the continent is on average between 22 and 25%, which means we are way below, our taxes are way below those of our peers, you know. And I'm not comparing ourselves with OECD countries. You know, countries like France are at 45%, you know, others are higher. So I persuaded and I made a case to the people of Kenya that we must begin to enhance our revenue. Because if we are a serious state, we must be able to enhance our taxes. So my drive is to push Kenya. Possibly this year we will be at 16% from 14%. I want in my term, God willing, to leave it at between 20 and 22%.